what it's looking like. See how dirty all that is. All of that. I'll spray Clorox on it. Help it'd be easier. And I'm gonna wipe it with a cloth. I already got. Ooh, look at that. It's having a very nice color. Wow. Look at what I found. 1975. This is when it got made. And I think it was actually a terracotta color because you can see it right there. Wow, this is really cool. So this is not even the original color. I'm outside now. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the top. This metallic gold. It's actually like this gold. And I'm also gonna spray the top and just spray the up to here because they got paint on there before, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that just to get rid of this ugly color right there. far, this is the first coat I paint on. As you can see, very wet. That little piece I'm gonna wipe off in a bit. I got some paint on the Corvettes, okay. I really don't want to go ahead and paint over so much on this signature from 1975. It's looking good. It's looking really, really good. So for my second coat, I went ahead and I put it on the Lazy Susan so I could just go and be painting as I go, and it'll be easier to turn because it is a heavy lamp and I want to be able to get a full coat as I turn it, if it makes any sense. Now that it's all completely dry, extremely dry, I'm going to move on to the next step. I'm going to be using these two colors right here. This is where I'm at so far. I'm really trying to stay confident with the way I am painting it. It's a little darker than what I really wanted to do. I do like the top right here, and then I'm going down for it to be more like really soft, like in here. You gotta trust the process. That's what I'm trying to do. The bottom is darker, so I'm just working my way of fading it in. Fully paint and dry. I have it on the Lazy Susan still. I love the way it came out. Oh, it has all the colors that I wanted.